How to start an LLC in Colorado in 2025. I'll walk you through step by step so you can create an LLC on your own, but if you find it overwhelming and want to save time, I'll also show you later on in the video how in just a few minutes you can create an LLC through a formation service. Step 1, name your LLC. When choosing a name for your LLC in Colorado, you'll want to make sure to include limited liability company or one of its abbreviations at the end of the name. Don't use words like Inc., Corp, or Partnership that implies your business is anything but a limited liability company. Be sure the name is unique and not already being used by another business in the state. You can check this on their name availability search page, but I think this will just check the name you type in exactly how it's written. For example, it says Starbucks is available, but when you search the business database, it pulls up all of these businesses with Starbucks in the name. If you're starting a new coffee business, I'd opt for another name. Step 2, select a registered agent. This is a person or business that will receive important legal documents and notices from the state on your behalf and forward them to you. This address will be listed publicly, so I wouldn't recommend being your own registered agent and using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must keep normal business hours Monday to Friday, and you can't use a P.O. box. If you want to keep your address private or you don't want to have someone at a particular address Monday to Friday during business hours, we recommend hiring a registered agent. On this channel, we've reviewed multiple registered agents, and our favorite is Northwest Registered Agent. They charge $125 per year, but you can get the first year for free if they form your LLC, which will cost $39 on top of the state fee. You'll find a link to Northwest's website in the description below. Step 3, submit Articles of Organization online with the Colorado Secretary of State and pay a fee of $50. This document will include information such as your company name, principal office address, mailing address, registered agent's name and address, management structure, so will it be member managed or manager managed, confirm the LLC has at least one member, plus any additional provisions you'd like to add. Upon receiving your payment, the Colorado Secretary of State will immediately process the formation of your LLC. For a full list of instructions, you'll find a link to this PDF in the description below, as well as a link to this page to begin the process of forming your LLC with the state. Step 4, obtain an employer identification number, EIN. This may also be referred to as a federal tax ID. Think of it as a social security number for your business. If you're the only owner of the LLC and you won't have any employees, you could just use your social security number instead of an EIN, but in most cases it's better to have one. You may need one for banking, taxes, and for hiring employees. The application process is pretty straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes on the IRS's website. We have a video that'll walk you through how to get one, link below. Step 5, create an operating agreement. This document will state how your LLC will be managed. Colorado law doesn't require you to have one, but I recommend creating one even if you're the only member of your LLC. Banks may also ask for a copy of your operating agreement when you go to open a business bank account. If you have a complicated situation with many business partners or investors, you may want to work with a lawyer to draft the operating agreement. But in many cases, especially if it's just you could use one of Northwest Registered Agent's free operating agreement templates that you'll find down below. Step 6, open a business bank account. This will allow you to better keep your personal assets and business assets completely separate. It will allow you to more easily manage your finances and will help you maintain the liability protection your LLC provides. We have this video that you'll find down below that'll walk you through how to open an account. Step 7, file a beneficial ownership information report with the Treasury Department's FinCEN. This is something new in 2024. This report discloses information of the primary owners of the LLC and must be submitted within 30 days of creating your LLC. To keep your LLC open and in good standing, Step 8, file your Colorado Periodic Report, also referred to as an annual report, and pay a fee of $25. You have a 5-month window to file your periodic report each year. It can be filed 2 months before the anniversary month, during the anniversary month, and up to 2 months after the anniversary month each year. As an example, if your LLC was formed in January 2025, you must file your first periodic report between November 2025 and March 2026. So you have all of November, December, January, February, and March to get it filed and pay the fee. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing this is the first time you're creating a business, and all these steps could sound overwhelming. The Colorado Secretary of State's website might not be the most user-friendly, and you could have questions along the way. Instead of going it on your own, as I just described, or paying a lawyer potentially thousands of dollars, I recommend working with a formation service to help you get your LLC set up correctly, and it only takes a handful of minutes. Our favorite registered agent and formation service is Northwest Registered Agent. As I mentioned earlier, they'll help you form your LLC for $39 on top of the fee paid to the state. You also get their registered agent service for free for the first year, and a free operating agreement template, something other formation services charge around $90 or $100 for. Now I want to quickly show you how in just a matter of minutes you can create an LLC with Northwest. If you use our affiliate link in the description, you'll come to a page that looks like this. By using the link down below, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. If you like our content, this is a great way to support the channel. Choose the type of business you'd like to start. We're forming an LLC, which has already been selected. Scroll down to select Colorado as the state to form your LLC. In Colorado, Northwest will process your LLC in 1 business day, paying the state fee of $50 plus $39 to Northwest. Then down below, select if you'd like to have Northwest file your beneficial ownership information report for an additional $25. Click Continue. Enter the name of your LLC. If you have an attorney and you'd like them to receive a copy of lawsuits and other legal notices, select yes and enter their email. Otherwise, leave it as no. Write your business purpose. What will your business do? Or select use a generic business purpose. Select which physical address and mailing address you'd like to record with the state. I'll use our registered agent's address for both. Click Continue. How will your LLC be managed? Will it be member managed or manager managed? Will the members or owners manage the business, or will you elect a manager to run the day-to-day operations of the business for you? If at any point you have a question, you can click on the related question icon to learn more. Also, if you continue to have questions or need assistance, you'll see their phone number listed here, or you can fill out this form on their contact page. Here I'll enter my name as an LLC member and use the registered agent's address as the address to record with the state. If you have additional LLC members, click Add Member, enter their information, and when you're done, click Continue. Enter your contact information on this screen, name, phone number, and mailing address. Then enter your email and create a password to set up your Northwest account. Here you can get a 90-day trial for the business identity package. This is a good point to mention. We have a training that'll walk you through everything you need to start your business, like a domain, logo, website, business email, business bank account, and more. If you'd like access to this free training, sign up using the link in the description below. I'll turn off the free trial and I won't add any options on this page. One of the things I really like about Northwest is that you can add anything you'd like individually. You aren't forced into purchasing an expensive package that includes a lot of things you don't need or want just to get the one thing you do want. Here you can individually add a tax ID, S Corp election with the IRS, mail services, or a trademark service. A few things you might want to consider. The tax ID. Northwest will get your EIN for you for $50 if you have a social security number. If you want to do it on your own, again, the video in the description will walk you through how to do just that. But if you don't want to deal with the hassle and you're fine paying an extra $50, you can add it here. S Corp election with the IRS. If you're just starting a business, you probably don't need this today, but one of the advantages of having an LLC is that later on you can decide to have your LLC taxed as an S Corp. This can help you save money on taxes, but normally it doesn't make sense until after your business is earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 of profit per year. You'll find a video about S Corps in the description below. Another thing you may want is a virtual office or mail forwarding. Unfortunately, Northwest doesn't offer this service in Colorado. I'll put links down below to Business Anywhere and Anytime Mailbox, both of which offer virtual mailboxes in the state. Then the last step is to enter your payment information and click Done. In about a day, you'll have your new LLC. If you'd like to have Northwest help creating your LLC and you want to support our channel, don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description when you go to form your LLC. After your LLC has been created, the next thing you'll want is a business bank account. Learn how to open one in the video up above, or in the video below, learn the dozen things you'll need when starting a new business. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.